Hello and welcome to this video tutorial about making a Python environment and installing Pwntools on your Windows computer. So as you can see here, I'm in an empty folder called test. And now I'll show you how to make the Python environment. So what you're going to do if you have Python installed is you're going to say python-m-v-e-n-v and then the name of your environment. I'll just call this my vent like this. Then Python will just take a couple of seconds to generate this environment for you. Now, as you can see here, I'm just using the normal PowerShell terminal, and that's our environment that's ready. So now if we say ls, we'll see that there's a folder here called my.venv. Now, before we can do anything with this environment, we have to activate it. So what we're going to do is we're going to say my.venv/scripts activate like this, and then press enter. And now you can see over here that I'm in this environment, it's been activated. So the next thing you're going to want to do to install Pwntools is say pip3 install Pwntools. And then Pwntools is just going to take a moment to install. And when it's finished installing, I'll show you a few caveats that you might run into when you're running your Pwntools scripts with Python. Now that Pwntools has been installed, what you can do is you can go into your Python prompt, then you can say from pwn import everything, and now this command should succeed. Yes, and it did, since Pwntools has now been installed into Python. And then what I want to show you is you don't want to do like this Python 3 instead, because that might not render your Pwntools, as you can see here. So it's very important that now when you're going to run like an exploit script, like you're going to want to do like this and not using Python 3. So yeah, that was the video tutorial for today. Thank you for watching.